how are you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. I'm fantabulous. What about you, ma'am? You tell me.
Also, I am also doing great. So, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Bihar.
Okay, it's showing. There are lots of green fields I'm able to see, and it's so beautiful.
Yeah, because village having a lot of greenness, no. So you are watching behind me greenness.
Yes, yes. So, may I know about you? About you?
Yeah, of course. Means that you want my introduction. So this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you. I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher, and my graduation is complete. So it's all about me. So
Okay.
could you please introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure. My name is Smriti Sarup. I live in Gurugram. I hold a bachelor's degree in arts, and I am happily married and blessed with two children. I'm a homemaker as well as a YouTuber running two channels. The first is Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga Meditation channel. I share meditation content there. And the second is Pure Knowledge for English Beginners, where I help people learn English easily. And as far as my hobbies go, I love working on both of my channels. And beside this, I love singing and listening to bhajans. And along with, I love spending time in my backyard garden. So, this is me in a nutshell. Thanks for listening.
Okay. Good to hear your introduction, ma'am. Your introduction was very charming, and I listened your introduction very carefully. That you are a meditation under meditation. You are working, and you are having a YouTube channel, and you are having two YouTube channel. In one YouTube channel, you are uploading video related with the meditation and yoga, and you are also having another YouTube channel in which you are just uploading conversation video that will help the beginners who are just very beginner of spoken English. So I
Yes,
got it
yes.
your point.
Yeah, thank you so much that you have listened very carefully. And tell me, you told that you are a tuition teacher also. So, what do you teach there and in which standard?
Yeah. I teach class ninth and 10th. I teach mathematics and science.
Arey wow, very nice. It's so impressive. So, tell me about your qualifications also.
Yeah. I am graduate. Why?
Okay, so and tell me something else that you have told about you are a farmer also. So tell me something about that too.
Yeah, no, because farming is very necessary, ma'am. So in every walk of life, farming is very necessary because whatever food you are eating, no. So just after producing by us farmer, just sending to the market, and after that you are buying from the market. I think that. So I think that I am doing a great job, and I am also increasing the national income also, and I am adding national income also.
Yeah, yeah, couldn't agree more on this. Really well said. And tell me something about your crops. Which crops do you grow there?
Yeah, because in Bihar, no, we belong to the North India, and this time in my field, so I can say that wheat is growing in our field, and after that, remaining part of the field, I am growing just like ladyfinger, brinjal, potato, onion, cabbage, means different type of vegetables I am growing.
Okay. And tell me about your marital status.
Yeah, because I am still unmarried, and my father is also a farmer. I'm doing farming with my family members, and after that, after 1 year, I am thinking that I will think of our marriage, and still I am just not settled in my life. So I am thinking of before settling my life, and after that I will think of doing married.
Okay, okay, okay. And tell me about your English passion. How did you start your English journey?
Yes, yes, yes. Because I was Hindi medium student and starting from childhood up to the class 12, I was in Hindi medium and I did not know about the ABCD of the English because when I was in class 12, no, just teacher teaches the English. When teacher came to classes and I just heard from the English and I just usually seated on the behind bench and I just hated from the English. But that time I was not understanding English. But that time I was having one subject of Bihar board. But that time I was not taking interest learning English. But nowadays, just after watching the conversion video in the YouTube channel available, whatever video have been available on the YouTube channel. But so one day I idea come that we should now learn English because today English is everything. So in wherever you will go, you will you will need English. So this is my passion to learn new things and new English.
Yeah, it's really impressive, and your English is quite understandable. You are able to say whatever in your mind, so it is really nice. And how did you find this flawless and fluency uh, by talking to each other? And someone also there. Do you have any environment at your place, or do
No,
you
no, there
just
is no, ma'am, there is no environment in the village area. You know very well that, and every people just speaking their native language, just like Khota and everything. Their regional language and their village speaking style they are speaking, but nobody is liking to speak English. But after joining this app, I have been continuously speaking with different kind of person, and after that, I am getting new idea, just like from you and you are you YouTuber also. And now I have become not become but I am also doing mistake while speaking English. So I think that that I am also learner and I am also a beginner. I cannot say that I am a expert person and I am a big expert of English. I am just still a learner. Just I am trying to speak our thoughts, idea and information and knowledge just in front of you.
Yes, yes, it's really nice. So are you also a YouTuber, or you are
Yeah,
just
yeah. Yeah, I'm also having a YouTube channel because whenever I will disconnect this phone, no, after that I will inside the room and I will in the night time I will watch this video where I mistake and where I did mistake. I will find out very easily after disconnecting the phone. Whenever I will get time and spare time free in the night time, I will watch this video 100%. And every video after disconnecting the conversation, I am watching in the night time and I am finding out our mistakes what I did our mistakes while conversing with you and with other person. So I am
yes,
making routine according to this conversation.
yeah, that's why you are able to speak so fluently, and you are not making any means much grammatical mistakes. So this is the reason, and you are also teaching kids. So there also you talk in English, or you just teach them in Hindi?
Yeah, I teach my student in Hindi because my student is Hindi medium student of Bihar board and they are only comfortable listening in Hindi. They are not comfortable in English listening. So I am just using our Hindi language while delivering our lecture in front of our student. And I am also writing on the board in English Hindi language, not English in language, because everybody of the Bihar board student comes to me just getting the good marks and just they want to pass the marks of the Bihar board. So so just I am running and I am going according to the our student, not going to our choices.
Yeah, I can understand. So, are they knowing about your status that you are talking in English with other YouTubers or on
Yeah,
Skype?
everybody, everybody of the village nowadays knows that I am speaking English in front of the video call, and everybody just watching and just I am standing. No, some person just who will come their field, so they will see me, then they will watch me, and they will gauge me very vaguely.
Mm-hmm. They feel so impressed from you, and they feel so respect also that you are able to.
Yeah.
In English.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
especially for the ladies who is not knowing English, no, just 10 Durga Puja time I started my speaking, and after that everybody of the villages, boy and ladies and grandmother, father, all age person knows about me that I nowadays I am speaking English. So nowadays they are not gauging me, but they have known about me that I am speaking English. But from the starting time, no, everybody just gauging me. Whenever I start speaking, just gauging me, and just ladies person just whispering among them, among herself.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So it's really nice talking to you. So if you have any question, you also can ask.
No, no. Do you have any topic? Then give me that topic. I will try to speak on that topic about 5 minutes or 2 minutes.
Okay. So I want to give a topic to you, like manners and etiquettes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Manners.
Manners, yeah, and etiquettes. There is different between manners and etiquettes. Means that how to behave with other person just like you. It is just like our manners, because you are just lady person and you are just like my mother and you are just like my sister. So I am just behaving yourself with a great way, and you are speaking and communication skill and communication. There is no communication gap between me and you, and the conversation is going on and going on and going on. And after 50, I am talking to you. At least I am talking to you 15 minutes before, up to the 15 minutes before, and nothing communication gap is going on. And I am also, you are impressed with me, and I am also impressed with you, because you are not telling anything, and I am not telling anything to you. And this is our manners. But etiquette is just like a different thing. Okay, just different. There is some a small difference. Difference from etiquette to the manners. Etiquette means that etiquette means that how to you how your behavior is going on towards the aged person and
Mm.
towards the educated person. Okay, if you are also a educated person, if I am also educated person, so I am doing manner, I am doing a well manner, and I am behaving with you with a good manner. But if I etiquette says that I am not telling you, and I my manner is if I my manner says that I can just say that I can also speak English. So this is not a good things. And I will show my etiquette. I will show my talented, and I will just pulling you down from me. So this is not my etiquette. If I am not pulling you down, so this is a good etiquette. So there
Yeah.
is just a small difference, just like paddy. And what is different between rice and paddy? What is different between rice and paddy? Rice and paddy is both are the same. Only the difference between rice and paddy is just peeling out the skin of the paddy is called rice. Okay, so manner and etiquette is the same thing. Manner is just like rice, and and etiquette is just like our paddy.
Yeah. So true. It was really nice that you immediately able to tell about both things. And I'm really very happy that I connected today with you, and will definitely collaborate again next time. So it was really nice meeting you. Okay, bye.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll connect again.